It's Monday again, so yes, we back in the stew with another video. Today we're gonna go over Supreme Week 9, and I actually saw that there's gonna be a KAWS North Face collaboration dropping tomorrow. So I felt the need to add that shit to this video. If y'all do end up enjoying, leave a like on this shit down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. I actually had a sneaker video which I dropped 2 days ago. If y'all trying to see my sneaker rotation, check that out. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So I think for this one, I'm gonna talk about the KAWS shit first. I'm only gonna highlight some of my favorite pieces, but just know that there's more shit dropping. This whole collection is basically in 2 colors. It's like a cream, then a black gray tone. We got a fleece coming out, which the fleece is body, bro. I actually with this one. It has the 2 X's on the side, little North Face on the other side, then you got this KAWS graphic going throughout the whole jacket. I think it's hard. Let me know what y'all think about this fleece right here. This one is gonna come in that cream tone with the black and then the black with the grayish color. Personally, I just copped the black one. We also did have this puffy jacket, which shit is beautiful, bruh. I've seen these leaked around for a little while, but they're officially releasing, and low-key, this shit is better than anything Supreme TNF we've gotten recently. I'm fucking with this jacket heavy. I love this all over graphic that it has, but it's not too overbearing on the piece, which is beautiful in my opinion. I'm fucking with this one in both colors. Let me know what is your favorite tone for the puffy. For me, it could go either way. There's also this parka, which has those 2 same tones on it. Color selection on this collab was exquisite. We don't need no extra colors. We just need the cream and the black. That's it. This shit looks hard once again with the 2 little X's, little North Face on the other side, all over print. I love what they did with this shit. There's also a hoodie in the black and cream color. I think I only got the picture for the black, but y'all get the point. The last 2 pictures I remember cropping out was the duffel bag, then these mules. Both of these shits are okay. I don't think I'd wear the mules, to be honest, but the duffy is looking clean. There's also a beanie, tees, long sleeves, sweats, and a bunch more shit that's gonna be coming out. I'm gonna try to link the Hype Beast article in the description. Hopefully I remember, so y'all could check out the whole collection, but this is gonna be dropping tomorrow if y'all are interested. Now let's get into what y'all came here for, the Supreme drop list for week 9. First things first, there is gonna be a Dickies collab, which we have no official images of. If by the time this video comes out we get that, I'm gonna try to post it. If not, hey, Drops by Jay is gonna have that for y'all. First thing that is confirmed is the Seiko alarm clock. This is an alarm clock, bro. We all hate it, but we all need it type shit. We do got it on our phones these days, but this is that typical alarm clock feel. I feel like it's something that you put on your work desk or something like that. I would not have this in my room because low-key this shit will get slammed, but it's looking nice. I hope retail isn't too high on a piece like this. Maybe if it's like $68, $78, I'd possibly consider it, but anything over that is a stretch in my opinion. Coming from Supreme, it's a clean accessory that they added their touch to. Literally a white alarm clock with a red Supreme logo on it. I don't think it's too big because they did put it next to this quarter, which might not be on the picture, but y'all get the reference. We got the satin applique sweatpants. These are hard, bro. I'm fucking with these. Let me know if y'all fucking with these. I like the way that they put the Supreme on one leg. These are actually clean, bro. I'm fucking with them in that minty green color. Hard body. Second favorite color is that washed navy tone. I actually am digging that one. I honestly feel like these are gonna sell out simply because it's something different for sweatpants when it comes to Supreme. Normally they do a small ass box logo on it. This is a different feel on the sweatpants. I'm fucking with it personally. We also do have the hoodie version, which comes in the same exact colors. On this one it basically has a blank front on the hoodie, and on the back it has Supreme sewn in. It's actually a sewn in satin patch, which gives it that little bit of texture and premium feel. I think this one's clean. Once again, my favorite colors are the black, the navy, and that minty green is probably my favorite thus far. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for the sweats or the hoodie. I feel like both are really good options. I'm low-key considering this shit, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. There's also this slide keychain, which it's in the title. You could slide the little letters out. I don't know know what else you're gonna be spelling, but yeah, you could slide the little Supreme out and flip it or whatever you want to do to it. It's a nice little keychain, you feel me? Put your keys on it. Obviously, I think it's clean. If it's anywhere near $12 to $18, I feel like it's a cop. Anything over that is a pass for me. This Intarsia short sleeve top is actually hard, bro. I love the way that it has that Supreme kind of going all over the top. I love when pieces have that for some reason because it feels like an all over print, and in this case I feel like it works. It almost has like a blur effect on the letters, which is kind of a vibe, bro. I'm fucking with that brown color. That white with the blue is actually fire, bro. If that would have been a cream with a blue, beautiful, bro. I would have had to pick that up, I'm not gonna lie, but the black one is fire as well. Let me know if y'all fucking with this Intarsia one. A lot of people actually are because it is high on the list, but I know myself, and on release day I know that I'd probably not pick this shit up. We got this woven pattern camp cap. This one comes in two different colors, a black and a white, and it's giving me this Pendleton vibe. I don't f with it, not gonna lie to y'all, but that's the vibe it's giving me, you feel me? I don't need this, bro. This is something that I could have went without. It's in a camp cap, and it's also in a bucket hat. So if you're not fucking with the camp, you could get the bucket, and either way it go, you could have your little Pendleton vibe from Supreme. For me, I'm sleeping on this shit. But yeah, let me know if y'all gonna be copping these shits. Personally, count me out. We got this rose beanie with the little palm on the top. We could go without the palm, bro. I don't need any beanie with a pom-pom on the top. Just count me out. As soon as I saw that shit, I'm like, no. Low-key, if this would have just had the Supreme on the front, no flower, no palm, it would have been decent. Too much shit going on, bro. If you got the rose, leave the palm out. If you're gonna put the palm, leave the rose out. Too much shit, bro. We good on this one. There's this reversible featherweight down jacket. This one comes in 4 colors. You got like this weird ass dragon figure on one of them. We grave you with the biscuits on that one. There's also that greenish color, which isn't too bad. I'm fucking with that forest green one, and it is reversible. Obviously, the other side of this one has like these little pockets right here, and it has like a little box logo on the top. I think it's actually rather nice. This is a Cordura jacket, so quality is gonna be on point. Would I pick this up? Honestly, hell no, bro. We got that KAWS drop tomorrow, and this is not better than that in any way. So nah, bro. If you trying to cop a jacket, just go for the KAWS TNF and call it a day, please, bro. There's this Skulls zip up hoodie. I don't know where they going with this shit, but it does look like a 2006 tattoo from an affordable tattoo shop. Like, come on, bro. This is deadass a Jersey Shore tattoo, a henna that you get from Jersey Shore, bro. Like, we don't need this at all. It comes in like 3 colors or some shit. Personally, I don't know which one's worse than the other one. Either way it goes, just know that I'm not even gonna look at this shit when it releases. Like, some of these items are unnecessary. Like, I don't know who's buying this Ed Hardy type beat. Not me. This is not what I'm vibing to. And the crazy part is there's 118 people on Supreme community that thumb this shit up. Meaning that some people are dead ass gonna wake up Thursday morning and spend $180 on this shit right here. Shit is absurd. We got the nothing but beanie. Literally, that's the name of the beanie. I don't know what this shit is talking about. Let me go ahead and look at it. It says nothing but the best on it. I guess that's cool. This beanie is better than that pom-pom rose beanie to me. That pink color is looking kind of nice. That baby blue with the navy is looking kind of nice. Honestly, I have way too many Supreme beanies to even consider this shit, but it's not bad, bro. If you're trying to buy your first Supreme beanie type shit, I would still say not buy this shit, but hey, to each his own, you feel me? The last piece we got is this studded work shirt. Shit is disgusting, bro. Like, where are you going with this? That ass has studs on a work shirt. That's 2 things that I'm not with. It just doesn't make sense in my book. I feel like you could do so much better with your money, bro. Start budgeting your shit. Put those $150 in a piggy bank, bro. Do something better than this work shirt right here. This is going outside. That's all I gotta say about it. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what y'all gonna be copping this week, or are you sleeping? Also, let me know what you think about the KAWS collaboration, and if y'all trying to check out a sneaker video from your boy, check out my sneaker rotation. I'm gonna put it up here for y'all. But with all that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, check out one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch if you want. If not, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.